It's a new 2026 Honda CR-V. Capability without compromise isn't a dream, it's a CR-V. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Continuously variable automatic transmission. Front heated leather bucket seats. Integrated navigation system with voice activation. Auto-dimming rear view mirror. Dual zone climate control. Doors and push-button start proximity key. Streaming audio. Express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof. Wireless phone connectivity. And intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.